guys, today I have been making some 9 videos. You see down there, 9 videos. Anyways guys, let's gonna play that I make no sense. Some Roblox. Anyways, let's get started. We will be playing. We will be playing the game Wacky Wizards. Click, 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 click. Wacky Wizards, and you guys see the alien? You guys see that alien? And you see Oz? The alien is abducting Oz. Would ever think this would happen? What can I use? Oh yes, chili dynamite. Am I gonna disconnect? I think I disconnected. Chili dynamite. Chili dynamite. Lots of chilies and lots of dynamites. I need to get an amount of 13 dynamites. What do you want? Here we go. 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hot explosive. This should affect him. The Wacky Wednesday is about to come in 1 hour. Boom! Do you see that health? He's going fast. Go, 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 go. How dare you, doo-doo? No, you. Yeah. You. Yeah. Guys, just so you know, there's one thing to ask you. I'm so dismayed. I accidentally just clicked on the throwables. I don't want this. Get him! Guys, he's... Oh yeah, nuke! Let's drop the nuke! Go! That did nothing! A bird. These. Really? It's gonna be such a fun journey for it to be stuck. Oh no. Oh. Do this. No. Kaboom. Explode. No. It's all just me to do the work. It's all up to me to do this work. I'm all alone. Pretending like I'm all alone. Ah! Ooh. Ah! Infinite health. Explode! Maybe this will work. Don't you dare! Aha! There's no way that you can escape. Hi there, bud. There's a UFO! The Wacky Wednesday versus Mr. Rich. Who will win and who will lose? Ah! Why is he coming after me? This guy's so obsessed with me or something? Okay, we only have 2 dynamites left. Go! Get. Dodge. I need to do the size controller one. Boom! 2 potions, maybe. Maybe camouflage? Quick, spawn the potion. Go. Yoink. Get him. Beans and this camouflage thingy-majiggy-williggy. We're on to more. Go! We have 1 dynamite left. I can make this into a frog. Ooh, run! Oh my gosh. This guy's so obsessed with me. Volcano morph. That's gonna do nothing, sir. Haha. Everything is now high. Go, 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 guys. Guys, do you think we can do this? Do you see how high he is? Do you see how high he is? Do you see that? Oh, he's getting even more lower. Why is this guy so obsessed with me? How about alien? And then mix it with the fairy. And then this and this. Go, go. Go, go, go. Huh? Ooh! Put a potion in. Tap on the cannon. Tap on the... Oh! Get him! Get him! Get him! Yoink! Oh! Oh! Yes, yes. 1 more. I am finished. Let's just strength this to see what this does. Ooh! Now that's what I'm... Okay, let's go. Drain it. 1, 2, into 3. And I heard that this doesn't disappear until everyone gets it. So we're gonna have a good time. Becoming Mr. Rich. Because let's become Mr. Rich. Collect it. Go over to here and then place it in. I'm Mr. Rich. Let's add this with the sandwich. That's not gonna do anything. Save. Mr. Rich. This potion name... Oh, thanks. Mr. Rich. Equals me. Oh, okay. Go, 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 before it disappears. Catch. What? What? Later, loser. JK. What? Don't give that to me. I can't believe I'm faster than everyone. What is this girl doing? Alright, thanks for the gems. Oh yeah, the fire breathing potion. Fire breathing potion. Okay, where is it? What is it? That's the air walking. Where is it? Okay, that's the size controller one. Very giant ears. It goes crazy size. Zeus's beard stops that. And 2, size control. And then here's the control jumping one. The beard and the frog. Oh! I guess I should be it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, could you please smash the like button? And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.